Adobe After Effects. Motion blur stopped working. Quick fixes solutions. Understanding the issue. Why is motion blur important? Adds realism and smoothness to moving objects. Enhances the overall look of animations. Creates a cinematic effect. Common complaint. Motion blur suddenly stops working in Adobe After Effects. Possible causes. Motion blur disabled in composition settings. Layer level motion blur not enabled. Preview resolution set to adaptive or too low. Cache or performance issues. Outdated graphics drivers or software bugs. Solution 1. Enable motion blur in composition. Go to Composition, Composition Settings, Advanced tab. Ensure shutter angle is set correctly 180 degrees recommended. Check if motion blur is turned on for the composition. Solution 2. Check layer level motion blur. Ensure motion blur toggle is enabled for each layer. Activate motion blur switch in the timeline panel. Tip: if the switch is missing, click the Toggle Switches, Modes button. Solution 3. Adjust preview quality. Set resolution to full instead of adaptive. Disable Draft 3D mode. Check if Fast Draft is enabled in the preview panel. Solution 4. Clear cache restart. Go to Edit, Purge, All Memory Disk Cache. Restart After Effects and check if motion blur works. Try switching GPU acceleration to software only in Preferences, Display. Solution 5. Update graphics drivers After Effects. Update GPU drivers from NVIDIA, AMD, Intel. Install the latest Adobe After Effects updates. Check if the issue occurs in a different project. Solution 6. Reset After Effects preferences. Hold Shift plus Alt Windows or Shift plus Option Mac while launching This resets preferences without deleting project files. Final tips. Contact support. If the issue persists, try disabling third-party plugins. Reset After Effects settings manually. Reinstall Adobe After Effects. Need more help? Visit adobe.com/support or reach out to Adobe forums. Thank you for your attention.